again. It's a redskin.
Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best RV stereos in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. SiriusXM Rode BT. The SVRBTAS 1 radio comes with your choice of 3 months free or 12 months for $99 of our Platinum programming package. Experience over 425 satellite and streaming channels for as low as $8.25 a month, plus fees and taxes. Elevate your in-vehicle entertainment with the Rode BT satellite radio. Connect to your car's audio system via Bluetooth audio streaming, AUX, or FM audio output for instant access to SiriusXM. A single wire connection from the intelligent power adapter to the radio display creates a clean installation. Choose versatile magnetic vent or dash mount options, included, or a compatible magnetic mounting solution, sold separately. Pause, rewind, and replay live satellite radio at the push of a button. Automatically start songs from the beginning with Tune Start on your favorite channels. Number 9. Pyle PLRV ST400. There's no denying that technology has had a huge impact to the world. Almost everywhere we go, we are embraced by technology. Even when we are trying to detach ourselves from technology, we can't do it entirely. One of the ways of detaching ourselves would be through road trips, but even then, we still want technology in the form of listening to songs or watching movies. The PYLE PLRV ST400 will give our RV an advantage in entertainment. The PLRV ST400 is an audiovisual digital mobile receiver system for the RV. It is a top choice for RV radio replacement or new installation if you're looking for superb features. It takes separate audio and video sources, amplifies the signals, and sends out the audio to our speakers. It is a great driving companion that allows us to have control over our car's music or visual entertainment. It has built-in Bluetooth wireless receiver for music streaming. You can control what to listen to with the use of any Bluetooth-enabled device. The Bluetooth has a range of 30 feet, more or less. Number 8. 6-channel Bluetooth hybrid home amplifier. The Bluetooth wireless streaming ability, built-in USB playback, VFD display, FM radio, iPod/MP3, 3.5mm, input, mic/HDMI/AC3/DVD inputs, Bluetooth home theater amplifier, compact home theater stereo receiver style, built-in Bluetooth for wireless music streaming, speaker output, optical/coaxial digital signal inputs, multi-channel audio input selection, MP3/wave audio file support, connect and stream audio from external devices, front panel audio control center, radio station auto, search scan, spectrum mode functions, repeat audio file functions, channel volume adjustable, treble, bass, echo, master, and microphone volume control, Bluetooth connectivity, receives wireless signal for audio streaming, simple and hassle-free pairing setup, integrated antenna for extended wireless range, works with all of today's latest devices, smartphones, tablets, laptops, computers, etc. Bluetooth version 5.0 Bluetooth network name, Pyle speaker wireless range, 40+ foot. What's in the box? Desktop stereo amplifier, remote control FM antenna. Number 7. Boss Audio BV6658B RV stereo. Boss Audio Systems also offers slightly more expensive RV stereo models that can be considered if you wish to get a unit with handy features for ease of use. The Boss Audio Systems BV6658B RV stereo is quite similar to the previous Boss Audio unit stated above, other than its connectivity options. For example, you get the same power output of up to 200 watts from this unit, which is fairly high when you consider its given form factor of single DIN, making it viable for both cars as well as RVs. In comparison to the previous affordable Boss Audio RV stereo, this higher unit comes with Bluetooth, USB, AUX, CD, DVD, and radio connectivity. You also get a handy remote controller included inside the box, which can be quite handy when it comes to controlling the stereo from far away. Speaking of the controls, while you do get a pretty long 3-year warranty with it, the finish and build quality of its buttons is a bit average. Number 6. Jensen JCR 311 RV Stereo. Jensen and its RV stereos can be a great pick for those who do not have any budget restrictions and are looking for something highly feature-rich and functional. This Jensen JCR 311 RV stereo is the only option present in this listicle that comes with a large touchscreen display. Not only is it handy for playing videos, but you can also use it for touch input for media playback or any of its supported apps. Talking about the speakers, you can use this RV stereo with up to 200 watts of speakers in terms of their power consumption. Along with a very handy and large-sized touchscreen, this RV stereo includes connectivity options like RCA, Bluetooth, auxiliary, USB, and others for ease of use. As you would expect from such a high-end RV stereo, it has a 1-year warranty. Number 5. Pyle Stored Double DIN Car Stereo. The next product on our list is from a reliable brand called Pyle, which provides high quality and performance products. Their stereo is a 7-inch model with several amazing features and economical price range. It is a great travel companion if you love listening to music while traveling. It comes with AM/FM audio, integrated alarm function, and CD/DVD player. It features wireless Bluetooth connectivity, which lets you play the audio or video file from your smartphone or laptop. It comes with a digital LCD screen and several knobs to control the brightness and other adjustments. It is a perfect option for different applications that include trailers, RV, cars, campers, motorhomes, and others. Number 4. Furrion DV5700 RV Stereo. While Furrion and its RV accessories like sparks, media modules, and stereo systems are fairly new in the market, you can still find a lot of handy features with them, making them a viable option for many. With the Furrion RV Stereo, you get a wide range of handy features, which is quite great, especially when you consider the compact and small form factor of this unit. Despite being one of the smallest single DIN stereo units, it still manages to provide up to an 180-watt power output to the user, which is fairly high. Unlike other compact units, this RV stereo still manages to include a decent number of input ports and connectivity options, including but not limited to Bluetooth, USB, SD card, CD, DVD, AUX, and radio. Although, because of the small form factor of this RV stereo, its display is a bit on the smaller side, which can be an issue for many. Number 3. ERV 34 RV Stereo. ERV Technology is another highly popular brand of RV stereos that you can consider if you want something highly practical and a feature-rich stereo for your RV. This ERV Technology ERV 34 RV Stereo comes at the 3rd position of this article because it is one of the most versatile options out there in terms of the connectivity options that it offers. Although, if you wish to power high-performance speakers, then you should look elsewhere, since this one is only rated at 135 watts despite its wall mount form factor. A great thing about its wall mount design is that it is quite large in size, which allows it to have a great extent of connectivity options like Bluetooth, USB, SD card reader, AUX, radio, CD, DVD, and even HDMI for video signal. Because of its Bluetooth connectivity, you can also use the companion smartphone app for easy remote control. Number 2. For multi-zone stereo amplifier. The Pyle 8-channel home theater amplifier is perfect for high-powered audio control. Multi-zone source control allows you to connect multiple speakers and sound systems from nearby rooms. It's used for a wide array of sound applications and connects to all of your favorite devices, including TVs, stereo receivers, amplifiers, CD/DVD players, speaker systems, and more. Source all of your conveniently and direct your sound with powerful, distortion-free performance. Additional system features include 4-channel bridgeability, independent channel level controls with audio configuration, gold-plated binding post speaker connectors, protection overload circuitry, visual color LED audio graphic indicators, along with universal rack mount compatibility. Enjoy multi-zone and multi-channel audio control with the Pile 8-channel home theater amplifier system. Number 1. Boss 616 UAB RV Stereo. Boss Audio Systems is a highly popular brand of audio products that makes all sorts of audio products like speakers, components, accessories, and even stereo players for your RV. The Boss Audio Systems 616 AUB RV Stereo comes at the first position of this list since it is the most affordable RV stereo stated here. Even at its given price tag, it offers a total power output of 200 watts, which is pretty high. And the best part is that it is able to offer this while having a single DIN form factor, making it quite compact. Even with its given compact form factor, you get various connectivity options like Bluetooth, USB, AUX, and radio, allowing you to play any music track of your choice. Its LCD display also includes backlighting for proper visibility even at night.